Hello. So I just got this new AverMedia Streamline Mini. A winning start to your stream journey. Now I guess that's Spanish or like French or something. So the ultra low latency, high quality video streaming center. So it comes with software too. Like I think it's free. Just says plug in. I don't know if you can see that. It's not gonna focus. But it does say plug in and stream or record instantly. Go live on multiple platforms with ease. Because I had a monster capture card, but honestly, it doesn't do much and there's no software for it. And I'm trying to like do a second computer, when I stream or whatever. The inbox, you probably can't read it, but it's not focusing for some reason. Yeah, I don't. But it says Streamline Mini, what's in the box, Type C to Type A cable, and a quick start guide. It's in a lot of languages on the back here. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Yeah, HDMI output, HDMI input, and the USB 3.0 to C port, I guess. It says. Yeah, so it says interface USB 3.0 Type C, input and output pass through HDMI 2.0. Max pass through for resolution is 2160p 60 HDR. Max capture resolution is 1080p and 60 frames per second. But it supports a bunch of others. It just won't focus in for some reason. Oh, there we go. So you can probably see all that. Like on there. If I pause it. Try to be as steady as possible. Yeah, it's like the requirements and all that stuff. I haven't opened it yet. And got here kind of quick. I'm like gonna open it up and look at it. So I need an upgrade. I need something with software. I don't know if this is gonna work. I've tried a bunch of different things. And like literally everything I work, trying to do audio for like another PC is very hard. And I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what, but it's just not working. So I had to get something else. And I'm gonna see if this works. Hopefully it does. I can't get this to cut open. Come on. Well, that's it. There's also tape on the bottom. Probably should did this beforehand. I didn't think it'd be so hard, to be honest with you. I was just tape it come right off, but apparently they didn't put it on there how they should have. Alright. Now we got that. I'm gonna open it, look at it. There's not much in here. Box, just a plain white box. Says AverMedia on it. So there's not like much going on in here. And for some reason they put another piece of tape here. It's weird, there's a lot of tape on this box, but for some reason it sounds like whatever's in here is shaking around. They probably should have spent like less tape on the box and did something else. I don't know what this is. Your best friend for streaming. I guess it's some kind of thing you scan, maybe? I don't know what that is. It's a lot. Oh, it's just assist. Whoa, it's just assistance and stuff like that. It seems like. I was yeah. I guess you need help setting it up or something. And it has like different. I guess. Like capture cards on it or something. I don't know what that is. Oh, so it is secure, man. Like it was, someone was moving around. I guess it was this piece. Let me see. It's not that. That's a cord. That feels like a good cord. It's like some high quality cord, like really good. It's not like plasticky feeling. Feels like a real high quality rubber. And right there it's blue. I guess that's type 3, USB 3 or something like that. It is blue to see. I'm not gonna like do anything now, like plug it in and work on it. I might do it later, like mess around with the apps or something like that. But it's a good cable. It's not cheap feeling at all, man. That's like some decent stuff right there. And this is just a quick start guide, you know, like how to, I guess. But I am gonna like plug it in eventually, and I guess see, you know, how to use it and what the apps do and everything like that. Scan stuff, I guess. The assistance. And it's not very big. I thought it'd be kind of small. It's kind of small. Take the plastic off. It's supposed to be definitely better than the one I got. I just have. So that's well. That's all the ports. If it focuses in, I don't know what's going to. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, it's just out, in, and USB 3. I guess that barcodes for help. Barcodes for help. And it's just like serial numbers and stuff. You probably don't need that. It's not too heavy. I mean, it seems pretty good. It only cost me like $60. I got it. I think it was Amazon. Yeah, it was Amazon. I got this on Amazon for $60. And actually, it was free shipping. So I'm gonna try plugging it in. I'm gonna mess around with it a little bit. Then I might do like another video, like showing what the app does or something like that, because I don't know what it does exactly. But I'll see, you know. And if I probably should make a video like this to help people if they get this, so they know what to do, you know. But yeah, man, if you try to get a new capture card, it's only $60. It's at Amazon. I haven't tried any of the features. It seems like good quality. So if I was you, man, I'd probably yeah, check out this AverMedia Streamline Mini capture card.